You want to study?
This.
What is this? Alam niya na. Let's study.
How? B. Elephant.
Very good! Big elephant. Oh, yung kahapon. Basahin mo ulit to. Alam mo ito.
H. Papa. Chachu.
Again. Look.
Delicious. Cha. Cha.
Play.
Chachu.
Ulit. Again. Play. Play Rachel.
Chachu.
Very good. And this one.
H.
And this one. Oh, this one.
Bubble. Baby.
Very good. B.
B. P. I. Baby. Yes, bye-bye.
Very good. Okay, enough. And this one.
It's blue.
This one.
Orange. Cool.
Very good. Orange car. And this one. This one.
Wow. What? Two.
Very good.
Two.
Black dog. Okay, very good. And this one. This one is
Sugar. Tiger. Hopman. Bug. Ewa. Or. Hobbit. Or. Show.
what?
Which of you guys you
This one. What? Very good! Bye-bye! Yay! Ay, alam mo ito, anak! I think you know this, ah. Ito, baka alam niya. Kay Blippi ito, eh. This one?
For the shark.
Very good! Alam niya! High five! Alam niya! Wala, ba't alam niya yun? Nakikita lang niya yung part niya. Eh, baka excavator, ano niya? Tignan ka excavator. Baka yun, ito hindi niya nababasa to, eh. Pero nakikita niya lang to. What is this?
Yeah. Touch it to me.
Hindi niya alam. I'm a what is this? Hindi niya masabi. Hindi niya masabi. Like this, oh. I'm a excavator. Oh, what is this? Read. X. Look, oh. I teach you. Okay. X. Excavator. Hindi niya masabi. Pag hindi niya masabi, hindi niya sasabihin. I'm a excavator. Alam niya. Alam niya, hindi niya masabi. Okay. Okay, iba na lang. Pero alam mo yung fire truck, ha? Very good, ha?
What is this?
What is this? Okay, wait lang, baby.
It's Papa. It's baby. No.
Pag tatlo kaya, alam mo, anak. Pag tatlo na. Tingnan natin pag tatlo na. What is this?
Pink, yellow, fresh.
Very good! Ang galing, high five!
Yellow, fresh.
High five! Very good ka naman.
Pink, fresh.
Big bus pero yellow siya. Color yellow. Oh, very good ka talaga.
What is?
Okay, ano pa hindi? Wala na akong mahal na anak. Fruits, you know fruits? Okay, tatlo. Try natin yung 3. Magaling ka na eh. Very good ka na eh. What is this?
Red, pink, apple.
Very good ah.
Red, apple.
Very good! High five! Tumatalon ka kasi anak, hindi mo mabasa.
Red, apple.
Very good!
Big apple.
Big red apple. Ang galing mo.
Yes.
Ano pa? Wala nang maisip anak. Ako yung nabablanko eh. Hindi yellow, ano mo? Green. Green. Try natin green. Ano mo yung green? Oh, this one. Baka alam mo pa rin ito at nakalimutan mo na to ah. What is this? Yana, look ah! Yana! Ay wow! What is this? Wow! You don't want to read? Hindi pa lang tayo nag-read nang very matagal We study muna and then I give you biscuit. What is this? Give me the milk. Give Give daddy. Hindi throw. Enough na? Enough na mag-study? Okay, ayaw niyan. Last one na nga ito, anak. Last one. What is this? Last one na.
Green cacao.
Very good! Green cacao. Sige na. Stop na. Mamaya naman ulit.